Austin, the capital of Texas, sits where the Colorado River leaves the Edwards Plateau in central Texas. It's the second largest state capital in the United States by population and was founded in 1839. Today, this long-standing history interweaves with a vibrant community that's only growing by the day. Austin has a million ways to enjoy a vacation or long stopover. From traditional tourist attractions like the Red Granite State Capitol or the Bullock, Texas State History Museum, to simply spending the day walking near the shores of Lady Bird Lake, the city offers a new experience around every street corner, like watching millions of bats emerge from the Congress Avenue Bridge. There's a reason why so many people are moving to Austin. Consistently nice weather mixes with the city's natural spaces and downtown sidewalks, casting a Texas glow across the city late into the evening. This and a friendly, eclectic community that invites creative types and sightseers to join the crowd. Now we show you some of the best places to visit in Austin. Before the starting video, subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. Number 1. Congress Avenue Bridge. Austin may be renowned for its live music and food scene, but did you know the city plays host to the largest urban bat colony on Earth? 1.5 million Mexican free-tailed bats reside under the Ann W. Richards Congress Avenue Bridge, and every night they set flight. The bridge crosses over the Colorado River, connecting downtown Austin to South River City and the fabulous Soco District. It's a lovely walk during the day, offering beautiful river and city views. However, come nightfall, there may be no better place to watch the sunset. The bats live under the bridge from March until November every year. There are several ways to watch the spectacular event. Those include from the safe confines of Lady Bird Lake, on a kayak paddling along the river, or from the Statesman Bat Observation Center. Brave souls, however, take their spot on the bridge itself. It can take 45 minutes for all the bats to fly out, and in combination with a colorful sunset, it's an unforgettable experience. Number 2. State Capitol and Visitor Center. The State Capitol and its 22 acres of grounds and monuments are home to the office of the state governor and the chambers of the Texas legislature. The building was completed in 1888 and today is protected as a National Historic Landmark. It impresses with its dimensions, and at 308 feet tall, it ranks as the 6th tallest state capitol, taller even than the U.S. Capitol in Washington, D.C. Visitors stroll the Capitol Park via the tree-lined path called the Great Walk and admire the numerous monuments. A Texas African American History Memorial, the Vietnam War Monument, and a bronze statue of a Texas Ranger all capture attention along the Great Walk, as well as a miniature Statue of Liberty that was presented in 1951 by the Boy Scouts of America. The Visitor Center is located on the grounds and features exhibits about the history of Austin and the state of Texas. Free tours of the Capitol building are given daily, except on holidays. Visitors are also welcome to take a self-guided tour anytime the Capitol is open. Number 3. Lady Bird Lake. Not to confuse first-timers to Austin, but Lady Bird Lake is, in fact, a part of the Colorado River. The lake and waterfront area is the crown jewel of Austin's urban green spaces, offering ample water sport, hiking, and biking opportunities. For those who wish to stay on land, the highlight of Lady Bird Lake is the Ann and Roy Butler Hike and Bike Trail. The Easy Trail extends for 10 miles along the edge of the lake. 10% of the trail is boardwalk, a section that provides travelers with exceptional downtown views. It's a great way to explore Austin, leading you to parks, bridges, and Barton Springs. Number 4. Barton Springs Pool. Although swimming in Lady Bird Lake is prohibited, nearby Barton Springs Pool in Zilker Park is Austin's favorite place to cool off. Barton Springs is a spring-fed pool along Barton Creek, covering an area of 3 acres with an average temperature of 70 degrees year-round. Locals and tourists alike enjoy the grassy tree-lined perimeter and perfect water that reaches up to 18 feet deep. The area is also considered a protected habitat for the endangered Barton Springs salamander, which is only found in this specific aquifer. Because of the delicate balance between recreation and nature, the pool is closed for most of the day, once a week for a specialized cleaning that protects the wildlife from harsh chemicals while keeping swimmers safe. Number 5. Zilker Metropolitan Park. The 351-acre Zilker Park is Austin's most popular green space and recreation area. The park's grassy expanses and picnic space sit alongside Lady Bird Lake and are ideal for lazy afternoons, but there are also many recreational facilities for the public to enjoy. Riverside walking trails, volleyball courts, and a disc golf course are all within park boundaries. The 26-acre Zilker Botanical Garden is the park's most beautiful area, open daily for a small entrance fee. Within, there are several individually themed gardens. Specialty gardens include the Hartman Prehistoric Garden, which is built around ancient dinosaur footprints found embedded in the rock, and the Isamu Taniguchi Japanese Garden, which features serene waterfalls and ponds. There are also gardens dedicated to butterflies, cacti, and succulents, herbs, and roses. Number 6. Sightseeing Tour. Austin has several sightseeing tour options to aid in exploring the city without a car. These narrative journeys also provide valuable insight along the way, perfect for first-time visitors or those who want to know more about Austin's legacy. Tour options include walking tours, tasting tours, and bus tours, as well as aquatic duck tours. Double-decker Austin is always a popular choice to get around. This locally owned tour company offers a single-loop, hop-on hop-off tour throughout the day, stopping at several downtown top attractions. A few recommended hop-offs include downtown 6th Street, the Texas state capitol, and South Congress District. Another amphibious option is Austin Duck Adventures. This Coast Guard-approved Hydra Terra tour takes to land and sea with a unique 75-minute expedition. Passengers on this floating vessel tour the streets of downtown before splashing into Lake Austin. Duck tours depart from near the Austin Visitor Center. Number 7. Mount Bonnell. Mount Bonnell is one of many best hiking trails in Austin, and is one of the most popular with tourists because of its numerous photo ops and proximity to the city center. Standing at 775 feet, Mount Bonnell is the highest point in the city and provides excellent views of downtown Austin and the 360 Bridge. It also looks out across the Colorado River and is the perfect place to take photos of Austin's skyline. Number 8. Circuit of the Americas. If you feel the need for speed, there's no better place to get the wind whipping through your hair than Circuit of the Americas. Though it was built as a professional racetrack, it's expanded to include an amphitheater, observation tower, and various sports facilities, so it's easily one of the top destinations in Austin. Number 9. Austin Aquarium. Austin Aquarium is one of the best places to visit for animal lovers. Not only can you admire them in gigantic tanks and pools, but you can pet, play, and take pictures with them through special interactive programs. The marine life is the main attraction of the aquarium, of course, and you won't be disappointed by all of the tropical fish and softly glowing jellyfish. However, there are also sloths to cuddle and lemurs to monkey around with, and there are visitor feeding programs for sharks, otters, stingrays, tortoises, parakeets, and honey bears. If you're wondering what to do while traveling near or through Austin, consider a trip to the Austin Aquarium. Number 10. Austin Zoo. The Austin Zoo is a small nonprofit that focuses on animals more than visitors. While it welcomes guests who want to enjoy lions, monkeys, bears, wolves, and alligators, its primary purpose is the care and rehabilitation of its residents, so it isn't the showy kind of zoo with lots of attractions. Instead, it offers the chance to see and interact with animals in a healthy, non-damaging way. For example, if you want to feed the giant tortoises, you'll need to follow strict rules while in their habitat. If you want to learn about the cougars, you'll need to time your visit so that you're available during their scheduled training and feeding times. The Austin Zoo isn't one of the bigger zoos in Texas. However, it's a good organization with a good cause, so you can feel good about spending your money there. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share.